in the nature of direction or instruction to the state. These are fundamental to the governance of the country, and the state has the duty in implementing them. However, if the state is not applying them in the governance, one cannot move to the court because these are non-justiciable. State is not applying them in governance. Actually, Constitution of the Indian Amendment 360 in part access of the Constitution, however, give due importance to the provision. Supreme Court in the various cases has evolved a doctrine or theory of harmony. The Constitution of India amended. We think that the procedure for amendment, the Constitution, hands of the center. Article 368 of the part access of the Parliament to amend the Constitution. The amending procedure is neither rigid nor flexible. Since the decision of the Supreme Court, this is feature of the Constitution. For amendment of the Constitution, it may be introduced by a minister or a private member for which prior sanction of the President is required. Introduced by a minister or a private member. Prior sanction of the President is not required. President's assent is not required. Amendment bills. Each case passed in each house by special majority for total membership of the house. Majority of the two-thirds of the members of the house present separate. A such bill which tends to amend any federal provision. A such bill which tends to amend any federal provision must be ratified by the legislative of half on the behalf of the state by simple majority. By simple, half of the member of the state legislative assembly, legislative, by simple majority. Total member, special member, total membership of the house and the majority of two-thirds of the members. Present and voting. Total members, special majority of the total members of the house. Majority and two-thirds of the present and voting. Under which article Constitution can the Union Government plays its role in setting interstate water dispute 262. 262. Point of order. Point of order suspends the proceeding before the House. It is usually raised by an opposition member. The normal working of the House does not conform to the normal rules of procedure. The normal working of the House does not conform to the normal rules of procedure. Rules of procedure. There are differences between the Council of Ministers and the Cabinet. Council of Ministers is a wider body consisting of 60 to 70 ministers, including all the three categories of ministers, Council of Ministers. Minister, State and Deputy Minister. It's a smaller body, under 20 ministers. Minister. Council of Ministers is a constitutional body, while the Council of consisting of Prime Minister and other ministers of cabinet rank. Prime Minister and other ministers of cabinet rank. Call attention motion. Call attention motion is an instrument through which A member may call the attention of a minister to a matter of urgent concern. Member may call the attention of a minister to a matter urgent concern. Call attention. Call attention. Yes, private member, any member of the parliament can attentions toward the minister of a ministers of urgent concern. Joint sitting both advice is not available in case of any deadlock with regard to the passage of money bill and constitutional amendment bill. Device is not available. Not available in case of deadlock with regard to passage of money bill and constitutional amendment bill.